Good morning, everybody. So I'm presently heading to the town of Barrier. Pick up another Harley off a friend of mine. He can't really ride it anymore. It got stolen from him. He got it back. Ignition wrecked in it. Didn't have coverage. So I offered to fix it for him, and instead he wants to give it to us and let us do what we want with it. So I'm going to pick it up, take it home. I'm going to get it running. Then I'm going to send him some money anyways, whether he wants it or not. Because I know they need the money. Nobody's doing well otherwise for the most part. Some are, some aren't. Anyways, it's an 883 Sportster. I'm going to pick up a trailer from my buddy's house, and we'll see how this thing looks and get it home and get it running over these next couple weeks here as I work on my other projects. Let's see what it looks like when we get there. Alright, let me get back to my...
They're already 11 years old, so
Yeah,
and this has been sitting in the sun, so
yeah. All right, so I got it on the trailer. Obviously, you can see the wires are cut.
I kind of stepped on the bag.
So I picked up the Sportster. It's a 2000, has 2,000 kilometers on it. It's at my buddy's house right now. I don't have room in my shop. Unfortunately, I've got a boat in there and the bike's in there, and there's an outboard motor on a stand now. I gotta stop buying junk. Obviously, starting to sound like Russ Brothers. Anyhow, so it's there. When I get my days off, I'm gonna pick it up along with another bike, and I'm gonna kick the boat out of my shop, probably put it in the lower shop where my Jeep project is, and get that Sporty running after I order a wiring harness, new forward controls. There's a variety of things that need to be done to the bike. That's fine. You know, a couple of nights working in my shop, I'll have it running in no time. That I know. It's gonna need new tires from 2015, so there's $600 in tires right there, roughly. Yeah, it's gonna need some magic love, and that's fine. I can do that. Anyways, that's that for today. I'm gonna head home here and tinker around with some other things. Thanks, guys.